Okay, you guys, so this is it from the inside, from the passenger door. What it looks like. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Hi everybody, so I am back working on Vanna, and today I've been working on the partition wall between the cabin and the cargo area. So let me show you what I've been doing. So after upholstering many seat cushions, I am opting to staple on this fabric. This is the wall to the partition behind my driver's seat. So I just cut it out. I try to leave some excess around the edges to fold over for stapling purposes. So let's see how that works out. So so I tacked it around the edges with this stapler gun here with 1/4 inch staples. I just tacked it. I put foam. This is like, I think 1/8 or 1/4. I think 1/8 inch foam and some fabric. Tacked it on, and I think it, came out. And so I think it came out okay. But this right here is gonna be not gonna be really seen, so I have to perfect that a little bit more in the back. This one is going to be seen, so I might have to cover that up. Okay, so I sacrificed the limb here and took it off. Okay, so look here, I got the partition wall in behind my driver's seat. So far, just take a look and see what it looks like on the outside. Okay, doing a paint job before I put door hardware on and before I put the partition up on the other side, because this is a pocket door and I'm not going to be able to get access to the whole door if the partition is up. So here we go. So hi everybody, I am back here with Vanna, and I am trying to put a door lock for my pocket door. So I'm in here drilling holes for the handle, and that's what I'm doing. This is the hole I got so far. So now I have to do a hole that's gonna go on the side of this, in the middle, and then I have to have the catch on the other side. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, so I have here my forward-facing surveillance camera. I'm planning to put it inside the cabin because I didn't want to drill a hole, or it was just more of a challenge to drill a hole on the van on top or something like that. So I'll put it inside, facing out the windshield, and the wire comes out in the back, and it's going to travel up and go to the monitor. So let's get this partition in and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got this partition in. Kind of looks okay. My pocket doors in here. I got the hardware put on, so I can now slide it out. And this is the key. I don't have my key with me, but it slides out. I can get it out now. I got my forward-facing camera to look out the window. Screwed up there. Try to make it look a little neat. And so Okay, so I am trying to put together my my outlet that's gonna go behind my seat. And I got my wires, I got my terminals and my wires, which I use to attach the terminal. I put the this right here, the electrical tape over some exposed wire. And I tugged them all and none of them come loose. I got the green wire going to the green screw. My black, which is the negative wire, going to the silver screw. And the hot is gold, so white is hot, so that's attached to the gold. And so I'm going to push this in and continue on. All right, now I have to get creative. This is so thin, so getting creative. And there you have it. I have it on here. So I just need to attach it to the bottom here. Okay, everybody, so this is a show tell of the cabin area. Actually, starting with my pocket door, I got the hardware on, and it locks from the inside. Unlock it, and then in the cabin area, I do have here a latch here to close it, and there's a lock on the outside. So I got keys so that I can lock it from the cabin. And you lock it, and it is locked. I have my camera here that's facing out the windshield over the shoulder of the passenger, and I have my partition walls in, and under here I have my I have electric outlet, you know, that I can access from either side, look like. And there's also up here a the gray water valve, like when I pull to the side of the dump or something, I can let it go. And all I have. Okay, you guys, so this is it from the inside, from the passenger door, what it looks like.